So, good morning, friends. Next chapter we are going to discuss about scope on power, or the subject of green computing, that chapter. So the scope of optimizing the usage of power are as follows. The input and devices for black CRT utilizes less power than white CRT. So see the diagram comparison of brightness in various CRT models. For brightness and white CRT, grey CRT and black CRT. Or see the value. And then comparison between CRT and LCD monitor. For power consumption of parameter and CRT monitor and LCD monitor. For see the difference between these two, average consumption for CRT monitor 76 watt, LCD monitor 20 watt. So the difference is very most 20 and 76. Screen color sensitivity and brightness setting sensitivity, contrast setting sensitivity, and consumption when turned off from computer power setting. These all are some main important peripherals of power consumption parameter value for comparison of these two monitors, CRT and LCD monitor. This is another one, graphical representation of power consumption of various operating systems for AC power consumption. So power consumption in average in laptop. For this diagram represents for desktop and laptop. It shows the difference between the source, hard drive, clock period, input output controller, CPU, power supply, and LAN display panel. These all are available in this chart. Next, for green IT strategies, the driver dimensions and goals. You see, each enterprises must develop a holistic, comprehensive green IT strategy on the policies that outline its objective, goal, plan, and action and setting. See the diagram, that is environmental, sustainable, and green IT. And that around this, self-interest, that based on image, compositive differentiation. Then social, culture, and political influence. Industry and economic business process. Regularly and compliance requirements. Then environmental concern and economic stage. These all are some dimensions of green IT strategy.